say gracefully walk the conference on stage, let's see who will take home the crown. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the much-awaited moment as I welcome you all to our search for Mr. and Miss CSI and Mr. and Miss Intramural. Thank you.
Mga candidates natin for the next exposure. So, tunugan mo natin yung puso ng ating mga audience kung sino nga ba gusto nila manalo for the Mr. and Miss Intrams and Mr. and Miss CSI 2015. So, dito ako who's your bet? So, pupunta ako sa harapan para tunugan ang puso ng mga magda.
Alright, partner,
Tatanong ako. So, ito ate, saan ka galing? So, sino yung candidate na number niya? Okay, so what do you think special attributes niya para mapili siya bilang Mr. or Miss CSI 2015?
She's a friendly student po siya. Tapos mabalik po siyang babae.
Okay, so sino ba kaya? Ikaw ate, sino ang favorite mo? Sagutin mo kung bakit mo favorite? So, sino yung favorite mo? Hindi niya alam yung sasagot niya. Sino? Ano name niya? Jenny? Okay, so, boy siya or girl? Girl, okay. So, ayan. Ikaw ba wala kang tatanungin, partner?
Ay, wala kang tatanungin dahil gusto ko, mas marinig ko sila mamaya habang sinishare up nila ang mga contestants. And for sure, even the candidates, they were all nervous. But, alam ko rin, ready sila dahil nga naman, pinaghandaan na to partner.
Yes, of course. Iba na pumasyon ka rin, partner.
Ha?
Oo.
Magkaganyan, partner.
Akala mo nag-passion ka. So, ano ba yung ways na pinag-aanda mo para sa swimsuit? Nandito pala yung classmate ko from Bicol University, si Annalyn. Hello. Ano yung girlfriend ni candidate number 2 daw, from Maroon Team. Nandito sila, from Bicol University.
Actually, guys, si Lorded kasi, pareho kami sa BU and isa lang sa mga naging friends ko before, that's why I know him. And, ngayon, partner, sana pag okay na po yung ating mga kalas, mag-inuwi lang po ang mga answers para po mas maging maayos pang flow ng ating program.
So, titignan ko muna sila sa likod kung talagang ready na sila.
Good afternoon, CFI. Good afternoon, LCC. Okay, so are you ready? Again, are you ready? Okay, let me do the roll call. Where are the blue team? Okay, where are the pink team? How about the maroon? Okay, where's the green team? So, this afternoon we will be witnessing our 13 candidates, male and female, as they compete for the annual Mr. and Miss CSI 2015 and Mr. and Miss Intrams 2015. So since you are ready, let us all welcome the candidates in their production number.
age, representing Big Team.
Okay, nakita na natin ang 13 pairs of our candidates today.
She is 29 years of age, residing at Our Lady's Village, Batagnol, Legazpi City, graduated at Bicol University. She took up business management, former Miss Binitayan, model of Blue Camp at the Sana Mall, currently working at BDO under the marketing department, the second to the youngest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Criscola Dominguez. Please help me welcome Miss Christina Dominguez. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, our second judge, she is 23 years of age, residing at Corona San Roque, Legazpi City, a graduate of Southern Luzon Technological Colleges Foundation of Legazpi, and she took up computer science, currently working at the Office of Coordinator Guardian Marketing Services Incorporated, that is actually based at Google Legazpi City. Please all welcome Miss Julianne Rodriguez. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, John R. And to complete the Board of Judges, 32 years of age, residing at Cabanel, Legazpi City, graduated at Bicol University, former member of the Bicol University College Education Dance Troupe from the year 2000 to 2003. He became a store ambassador of P&G products, investment counselor of integrated management services, currently L&D specialist of LD's chairman of the board of judges. Please all welcome Mr. Alex M. Ayala.
Okay, since nakilala natin yung mga judges who are responsible for choosing the next Mr. and Miss CSI and Mr. and Miss Nations 2015, let us know the criteria for judging. So there are 9 criteria that the judges must so here are the criteria for judging. The best in talent, best in production number, best in gown, best in ramp, best in swimsuit, crowd's favorite, Miss Congeniality, Miss Photogeny, and People Choice Award. So the judges will be rating the candidates for 1 to 10. So may I call my partner for this afternoon? Student from CSI,
So mag-roll call tayo ulit, partner. So where are the blue team? Yeah, medyo malakas. So let us welcome the pink team.
Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Maroon Team!
Bakit naging isa siya? Saan yung mga kasama mo tayo?
Ayan, para mga Green Team!
So, before we proceed to the candidates' next exposure, may I call the
the
attention
candidates in their swimwear attire. Candidate number 2 is from Blue Team, and she is Marianne B. Echaque. candidates in there, they wear attire. So they are very sexy, my partner.
Alright, now I think it's time to award the first set of minor awards. Okay, we're calling the CSO officers to award. Alright, so here are the presenters. Miss Dara E. Francisco, the CSO President, and Mr. Jomer P. Zamora, the Vice President. Please proceed in front.
Okay, so our first set of minor award is Miss Congeniality. And our Miss Congeniality is candidate number. Let's go back. Candidate number 6. Giselle S. Costa.
Congratulations, Ms. Hazel. Just shout out. You are our Miss Congeniality. So you guys as a big team. Thank you so much, CSA officers. Thank you so much, Miss Hazel. Now let's proceed. Crowd's favorite.
Yeah, so it's the crowd's favorite.
Our presenter.
It's Miss Apple Lisa and
Our presenters are Dara Francisco, Jomer Zamora, and MJ Aynoida. Now, our crowd's favorite.
candidate number 11.
You are our crowd's favorite. Congratulations, Miss Jadeline Perdigon.
Okay, our next award is
Miss
Photogenic. And our Miss Photogenic
Our presenter, Miss Dara Francisco, and Miss Jomer Zamora.
Okay, our next Photogenic is
Who's your best? Partner, there are 5 my
Oh yeah. Come on. Take your time. Then take you to the Bahia. No, 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 no. Just why she don't get no place in it, right? Oh yeah. All the messages you got, I want to know what them. What's the one that I'm gonna make it work?
Original Playboys.
This one's for you, baby.
Hindi ikaw. Siya. Tungwa.
This is oxygen, man.
Cabinet
So, titingnan dito is kung gaano sila kagaling.
In terms of answering those questions, diba, beauty, wit, and talent, perfect package. And kung patuloy ang nalalaman na may 20 years na, they will be proud as the Miss CSI.
So, I guess, ready na sila para sa question and answer. So, dito tayo sa para.
Oh, bigyan sila ng microphone.
So, yan. Bakit sila magiging So, I think, mahihirapan yung mga judges sa pagpili kung sino nga ba yung deserving sa title na Miss CSI 2015. So, I think ready na nga talaga sila. Kaya tinatawagan ko na yung first candidate. Candidate number 1, please step forward.
Ano na yung answer mo? Ano na yung mahaba nito?
And in this part, meron kaming envelopes dito. Nandito po yung question na nasasagutan nila. Pipili lamang po sila ng isa at sasagutan. Ayan, so dito kami.
Ayan. Anong feeling, candidate number 1?
I'm nervous.
Magpapalala mo na ang mga friends mo dyan. Ayan, wala sa kinakabahan ng ating first candidate. Okay lang yan, relax na lang tayo nila. Andiyan naman ang mga fans mo.
So, anong team ka ba? Okay, asan yung green team?
Yan! Magpapalala ng kabahan sa ating first candidate.
So, palaban ang green team. Kaya dapat palaban ka. So, please pick your envelope. Repeat envelope number 1.
Alright.
So this is her question. What can you say about cyber education? Again, what can you say about cyber education?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, I'm not convinced about cyber education because it takes the responsibility of the teachers, professions of their professions, and person of their students. As a student, I am a willingness to go to school and learn the lesson. So I'd rather go to school and learn the lesson. Unlike you just studying in front of the machine, unlike since
Thank you so much,
Okay, so
candidate.
may I remind the audience to please settle down if our candidate is still answering her question. Okay, so
Again?
pwede huwag muna tayo maingay habang sinasagot nila ang kanilang
Yes, Bono, we request everyone to please remain in silence while our candidates are answering their questions. Kasi po, para po, mas makuha po nila yung tanong at yung sagot. Again, inispeto po namin ang ating mga kandidato.
Respect lang po. Okay, okay, let's proceed to candidate number 2.
Wow! Ang ating candidate number 2 ay anong team?
What team?
Blue Rainbow.
Ay, blue team! Ayan, anong feeling? Candidate number 2.
Salamat po kami ng nervous.
Hindi na nililito siya. O, diba? Kaya nga po, sumasagot po sila, huwag po tayo masyadong maingay. Nakapailang pasok po na itong sinalihan.
First time lang po.
Wow! First time! For sure, may mga susunod na pang nasalihan yan. Dahil nakauna na. for you? Again, what is sportsmanship for you?
Thank you very much for that question. As a student, for me, sportsmanship is a kind of attitude that an athlete shall possess. Alam mo na nangyari sa inyo? It is important to a person because your open concept whether you win or lose.
Again, so wag po tayong masyadong maingay habang sinasagot niyo yung kanyang katanungan.
And I believe that the definition of sportsmanship is like playing basketball. Why? Because it is not about winning or losing. It's about how you play the game. Thank you.
Very well said. That is
It's not
so
about
true.
how you win or how you lose. It's just
It's
about
about how you play the game. Thank you. Alam mo, sa sabi niya kanina, it is the attitude of the player.
It will always be an attitude that you play.
Correct.
So let's proceed with candidate number 3.
Hi, sexy lady. Ayan. Patuloy mo ang fans mo dyan. Hello, guys. Ayan. Anong feeling, Anne Rose? Ito ba first time mo sumali? Or you don't live on sumasali ka na? Okay. So, now siguro, kailangan ko lang pumili sa ating envelope.
Let me read for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what is education for you? Again, what is education for you?
Thank you for your wonderful question.
Again, alam po, manahimik po muna, no? Manahimik po muna lahat bago bigyan ko ng sagot ng ating kandidato.
Okay. As a student, education is one of the most important aspects in our life because once you have an education, no one can take away from you. And also, education is very necessary to learn. And also fulfilling lifestyle. And something sports really is. That's all. Thank you.
Number 3. Ay, sabi ng ating kandidato, education is something that no one can take out from us.
So, diba for that, education yung course mo? So, for your partner, what is education?
Wow! Hindi ko naalala ko, diba? Kasi talagang education is the key to success.
Ano yung success?
Oo, diba alam mo, ang mga material na bagay, pwede mo yung tingnan ngayon, pag nakapag-aral ka, kung nakapagtapos ka, mabibili mo yan. Nanalo na edukasyon.
Yes, that's true. So, let's proceed with candidate number 4.
Again, manahimik po ang lahat habang sumasagot ang ating kandidato. Candidate number 4. Who do you think will win as Miss CSI for this year and why? Again, who do you think will win
Okay, your question is, are you in favor in sex change?
Sex change. Because kids are only God can change sex. Pero, sino ba naman ako para tumulog lang sa kagustuhan ng isang tao? Wow, thank you so much. That's number 5, very short but concise. Sabi ng ating kandidata, sino ba naman siya para tumulan ang kagustuhan ng isang tao na maging siya? Thank you so much. That's number 5. Now, let's proceed sa ating next candidate.
Candidate number
Candidate number 6.
6. Oh, I love the attitude. May attitude siya kapag
Oo. Anong team? Team 17 years old at the choice. Okay, so it's time to pick your anthem. Here's your question, candidate number 6. How could you help the out-of-school youth? Again, how could you help the out-of-school youth? By inspiring and motivating their youth to continue their study and by teaching what is the real value of education. That's all. Thank you.
Oh, so our answer is about education in helping.
Correct. Sabi ng ating kandidata, tutulungan niya raw ang mga out-of-school youth by motivating them na i-pursue yung studies, di ba?
So,
That's very, yes, that's so very good to hear from our candidate.
Ikaw
Ikaw,
naman, candidate number 6.
given the questions, ano gagawin mo?
Of course, since I'm taking a Bachelor in Secondary Education in Iko University College of Education, it is my job as a future teacher to impart my knowledge and then wisdom to my future students because I believe that education is the only key for the betterment of our nation.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's proceed with candidate number 7. Please step forward.
Ayan, for ating candidate, before siya sumagawa at medyo.
Nakabangan ba?
Oo, eto dancer ka, di ba? Di ba ano sa dance group ng CSI? Umalis ka na. Pero magaling ka sumay. Pagpatuloy mo sana yun.
Parang NBI partner, parang kalandaran.
Masaya siya ka, pero kulang din naman yun. Ano ka ba?
Okay lang yan. Okay, so this is your question. What does nightlife bring to the youth?
Good afternoon to all of you, and thank you for that wonderful question. For me, it is a way of socialization that in terms of having with friends and different people with individual differences. But this nightlife
mukhang inaplan niyo yung tinuro ng ating mga teachers. Time management.
Time management. Kasi hindi naman talaga natin may iwasan tayo mga kabataan na nightlife, diba? Kasi kailangan natin
Especially in our generation na talaga namang bombarded with the technologies, with the information, and nightlife is a part of teenage life, di ba guys? Ayan.
Sino mga nag-nightlife dito?
Sino?
Mga sinungaling tayo.
Sino ba dito ang gumagalap pag-gabi? Marami.
Yung mga tumas na kamay, mga ano yan.
Nanigalig kita sa puro. Ayan. Okay.
Sina Trisha daw yung mga makeup artist. Nailig daw sa night.
Now let's proceed sa ating pangwalong kandidata. Candidate number 8.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, how do you feel?
I'm happy.
Okay. Sino yung makeup artist? Who's your makeup artist?
With my brother.
Friend of his brother.
So, anong pangalan niya?
Si Pai.
Si Pai. Si Pai. Siya yung ano? Si Pai.
Si Pai.
Ano pa?
Asawa
Okay,
ni?
so, ha?
Pai, asawa ni? Man.
Okay. Okay, please pick your question.
Very interesting question. Candidate number 8. If there is a chance, would you join the fraternity? Again, if there is a chance, would you join in fraternity?
Thank you for that wonderful question. But before anything else, I would like to say first, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen! Thank you for coming and visiting this project, guys. And here is my answer for that question. But I want to say something special for those people who have joined already in any kind of fraternity. I know and we all know, guys, that joining in any kind of fraternity is having and finding friends, and it's plain feeling, a painful feelings. But for me, I will not and never join in any kind of fraternity because I believe in myself that I have a good attitude and personality that someone else can easily understand my personality. And these ladies at my back are my new friends and being part of my life. That's all. Thank you.
So, ayan. Sabi ng ating kandidata, Kuya Lordin, nire-respeto niya yung mga taong nag-join sa fraternity. But, having this person in her back, ang ating mga candidates, yun na ang kanyang bagong friends.
So,
Very
yun.
right.
Kapag dito kasi wala naman tayong pinipigilan na sumali ka.
Ikaw ba, kasali ka ba sa fraternity?
Hindi naman ayaw ko sumali kasi ito yung decision ko. Pero yung sa mga sumali na
Kasi ako, meron akong brotherhood, gorgeous. And I am proud to be part of that.
we're not discriminating from
Yes.
right? So, anyways, we are
And we have a friend there. Hi, sir. Ayan, from different part of the country. Hi, sirs. Hi, sir. Sa lahat po rin na nandito, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Alright, now let's proceed sa ating next candidate. Candidate number 9.
abortion?
Thank you for that beautiful question. But before I answer that, to my fellow students, to all beautiful and handsome teachers, and especially to judges, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. For me, abortion is definitely wrong because it takes away the life of an innocent fetus or baby. God gives the gift of life, and He was the only one to take it right back. Not human and not legal abortion. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, number 1 is the greatest abortion.
So, based on international law, okay, so, mga tayo ay may karapatang mabuhay, right? Right. So,
But, alam mo, sa ibang bansa pinapayagan na, pero sa Pilipinas, you know, and, di ba, especially po sa mga kabataan na dito ngayon, kung ano yung ginawa nyo, panindigan ninyo. Okay? Huwag itapon at huwag patagin.
kung hindi kayang buhayin yung anak, huwag nang lalagyan.
Diba? Sa mga babae naman, huwag yun. Alright. So, siguro, next na po, no?
So, let's begin with candidate number 10.
Sige.
Oh, I love her attitude when she walks forward. So, gayahin na. Sige. So, how are you feeling today? Nervous ka naman. So, bakit ka nervous? So, first timer din pala siya. So, are you ready for your question? So, debate ka.
Okay, your question goes like this. Are you in favor of gay marriage? Again, are you in favor of gay marriage?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for that beautiful question. For me, I'm not in favor of gay marriage because marriage is the holy sacrament between a man and a woman who will create a family without lies and difference and with the promises and blessings of God. Happy to all. Thank you.
It was very short but concise. Candidate number 2 is not in favor of gay marriage. That was actually her own opinion. And she says, guys, na ang marriage daw is a sacred thing that only female and male lang makakapag-submit.
Kaya bilisan na natin yung guys kasi meron pa tayo.
Correct.
So, let's proceed with candidate number 11. Okay, your question is, what is the most important value of a leader?
Thank you for the wonderful question. For me, the most important value of a leader is attitude. Because if you are a good leader, you have a freedom to lead an organization. And I believe in the saying that a good leader is a good follower. That's all.
Okay, a good leader is a good follower.
Thank you so much. Number 11.
So let's proceed with candidate number 12. So big one.
today's quizzes. Again, what is your role as a youth in today's crisis?
First of all, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, as a youth, I can be a good and better role model to my fellow youths in a way of encouraging them to attend some seminars that can help and develop them as a better person. In these small ways, I can show the beauty of life as a youth to others. Just like Dr. Serson said that, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. So to my fellow youths, let's be matured enough and let's be a responsible person. And that's all. Thank you.
Wow! Ikaw na small, great things comes from small beginning. Ayan.
So let's proceed with candidate number 11. The girl in the straight hair. 13, I mean. The girl in the straight hair. So this is the last envelope and so your question is, how could you save Mother Earth in your own little way?
Good afternoon, everyone. As a student, I will save the Mother Earth by proper segregation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable clean-up drive and clean-up green activities. And most of all, to have self-discipline. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. At yun naman talaga dapat, di ba? Self-discipline. Bago mo pagsabihan ng iba na maglinis, ikaw na muna.
Meron naman tayo tinatawag na PR, di ba? Reuse, reduce, and
Recycle.
So, thank you so much to our 13 lovely candidates. You may now
Take a rest.
Yes.
Ayan. Again, our 13 lovely candidates.
Baba muna tayo, partner.
And followed by our former Miss CSI, Miss Arlene de la Fuente.
Always be humble all the time and be responsible to your life and be a good role model to your fellow students. To all candidates, good luck and God bless.
Workouts will reduce full work and at the same time strengthen my mental spirit. I am glad I did all that because I was able to make my friends, schoolmates, whom I love so proud. Being so close to the CSI is a new experience. It made me realize that one can do so much for others by being the best one can be. I treasure all the friends I have made along the way. I am grateful to those who rooted for me since day one when I went to CSI. And to my family, Rosario Major Pereza, for being able to join me. My mentors, most especially God. Without his voice, I would never have been there. Finally, I thank all these CSI students cheering for me from wherever they were. Because of you, I'm able to learn this journey. Because of you, I have realized what a blessing it is to be a Filipino. I look forward to my beautiful years ahead. So to all the candidates, good luck and have fun with this pageant. Thank you.
Best in swimsuit, his personal collection,
damit. Mukhang pinagkalaban naman ni Joker, oh.
Okay, so again, our next personal question is Jessica Bisnar. And our next special award is
Best in Love!
the best in love is candidate number Mr. Beth. Candidate number 11. Again, our best in love is candidate number 11.
Miss Janeline O'Bird. Thank you so much, Miss Sarah Bon of CSE and Miss Janeline O'Bird.
Okay,
Wow! Ito naman pinahirap kami na ng galing sa pagsayaw.
so our next award is best in production number.
Who's your bet? Marami, you are guys giving us many numbers, but our best in production number is candidate number 3, Thank you so much, Anna Cesar, Miss Brenda Mendez, Miss CSC Business Manager.
Okay, so let's move to the next. For the
Thank you
next
so much.
So our next award is best in long gown.
Sino kaya ang may pinakamaganda at nangirapan na maayos ang pagkita ng mga long gowns?
Again, this beautiful long gowns crafted by Miss Claudine
Okay.
Aike. So thank you, Miss Claudine Aike, for your beautiful and gorgeous gowns. So our best in long gown is candidate number 11.
Alright, now it's time to
They may take her desk at the backstage.
Alright, again, you can take your rest, our lovely candidates. Now it's time to award the certificate.
Okay, for the selection for Magic 3 is Beauty of Face, 35%, Poise and Charm, 30%, and Weight, 35% for a total of 100%.
We are going to read the top 3. Again, yung natawagin ko lang yung pangalan, please step forward. Wala po sa particular order ha.
So our first spot you so much for joining the CSI 2015. Let's begin with question number 2. manalo sa'yo. Okay? So, yes, number 13, HR. Okay, so ito yung tanong ko sa inyo. Sa'yo pala. Okay, so will you change? Who will you just be for the person you love?
Para sa akin po, hindi ko po papunta ng aking desisyon para sa aking minamahal dahil po kung ano ang binigay ng Diyos para sa atin, yun lang po ang dapat natin sundin. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Number 13, God will bless you. Okay, so, good job for you, top 3. So, next,
While we are waiting sa result ng ating Miss CSI and Miss Entrance, please welcome Mr. Glenn Lanuzo.
who have been performing sa Manuel. Comparing them to other circumstances. Talagang napaka-energetic at saka wala na kaming masabi. Congratulations for a job very well done. And of course, sa mga young video, pamina na kayo sa mga significance na don't you really not be there. And I would like to thank this opportunity also to announce the first category opening the new opening next year, Victoria Courses and BS Computer Science, and Information Systems and the 2-year program course, the Associate in Computer Technology.
Joy and our Miss